Today we will start this transformation of sum and product. Okay. Transformation of products and sum. Heading. Transformation. Transformation of products and sums. That is the main transformation of products and sums. So now one by one we will do the formula. Transformation of product into sum or differences. Then transformation of sum or differences into product. Okay. So there are four each, that is 8 formulas. First common letter, transformation of product. Transformation of product. Okay, transformation of product into sums or difference. Into sums or difference. That is plus and this is minus. Differences. Okay. Now here we are going to recall all the formulas from compound angle, everything. According to that, it will be done. Okay. Now one by one I will write the formulas. We know that sin of a plus b is what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. I'll name it as subpoint 1. Okay. Next, cos of a plus b is what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. Next, sin cos, that is both are plus. Now subtracting formula. Sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b is what? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Third. Next, cos of a minus b is cos a cos b. It is minus, that's why it will become a plus. Sin a sin b. Fourth. So this way I have done. Now what I will do is, by addition and subtraction we will get the formulas. Okay. Now what I will do is, I will add, that is transformation of product into sum or difference. I will add 1 and 3. Adding 1 and 3 we get. Okay. The LHS I will add here. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. Plus the third one, sin a cos b. Okay. Minus cos a sin b. Okay. So sin of a plus b I have written here, plus sin of a minus b formula I have written here is equal to. Now see here, just plus and this minus goes, so it will become what? That is sin of a plus b plus sine of a minus b is equal to, it will become 2 times sine a cos b. Okay, therefore sine a cos b is equal to half into bracket sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. Got it? This is the first formula. See, that is what? Transformation of product into sum or difference. Transformation of product into sum it is. Next I will do, I have done adding, that's why I got sum here. I will do subtraction, you will get differences. Okay? Next will be what? Adding and subtract, addition we have done. Now we will do subtraction. Subtracting 1 and 3. We get subtracting 1 and 3. Get the same 1 and 3. Instead of plus here, minus sign. Sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, minus is there. Now see, sine of a minus b formula is what? Now minus will come here. Minus sin a cos b minus sin a cos b. Okay, this minus sign will enter inside and will make this as plus. Plus cos a sin b. Okay, now here this positive sin a cos b and negative sin a cos b cancel. This will get added. That is sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b is equal to, if we add it, can become 2 times cos a sin b. Therefore cos a sin b is equal to half. This 2 will fall down, right? Half into bracket square bracket sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Okay, this is my product. Transformation of product into differences. Transformation of product. Now sum is over here. Differences. That is minus. Same way, next what I will do? Adding 2 and 3, 2 and 4, then again subtracting 2 and 4. Again I will get 2 sets of formulas. So totally in this Roman letter 1 will get 4 formulas. Okay. Now I say adding what is 2 and 4. We get cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Okay, is equal to cos a cos b. Here plus is there, means minus become minus sin a sin b. Then plus. Is it possible? See, plus cos a cos of a minus b. Again cos a cos b. Okay, there minus is there, that's why it is coming plus. Sin a sin b. Now here this minus sin a sin b plus sin a sin b will go. That is we are left with what? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 times cos a cos b. Therefore cos a cos b is nothing but 1 upon 2 into square bracket cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. ठीक है, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to what is this? Cos a cos b. Here plus is there, that means minus sin a sin b. Same thing now. Instead of plus here, this minus is going to become minus. Cos of a minus b is what? Cos a cos b. Cos a cos b. Okay. Cos a cos b plus sign will come here, but as it is, this minus sign is coming inside, it will make minus. Minus sin a, what will be? Sin a sin a. Okay. Now what happens here? Plus cos a cos b will go. Minus sin a sin b, minus sin a sin b will become minus 2 times. That is cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b will become minus 2 times sin a sin b. Okay. Therefore, what is sin a sin b is equal to minus half. I take it outside and it will be written as cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Okay, that is product to differences. Okay, here for this another formula is there. If you don't want this minus sign, you are going to interchange this. This you are going to write first and this will come. I will say here or sin a sin b without minus sign, minus into minus, this will become plus, cos of a minus b, that term will come what? Minus into plus is minus cos of a plus b. Got it? Or you can go with both either of them. Okay? So differences. So this way we have got 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the formula, 8 formulas are there. Go through it. Okay, these are the formulas. Now this is what transformation of product into sum or difference. Now next will be transformation of sum or difference to product category. Okay. So now for that I have to take the help of these equations. This one is what I have done now. Sin of a plus b. This is what I have got. This one. Sin of a plus b, that is this I have to write. In this I have to find what a value and b value. Okay. So now what I will do is I will name this as 1. Okay. Because I will be recalling it. Don't get confused. This is sub point 1, this is main 1. Next subtraction. This is 2. The next adding. This one. This will be 3. And next subtracting. This will be 4. So I am going to recall 1, 2, 3, 4 for my next formula. Okay. Now I will rub it. Transformation of sums or differences to product. Into product. Transformation of sums or differences into product. Okay. Now what I will say, we know that I will write this all 4 formulas. We know that from 1, 2, 3 and 4. We know that from 1, 2, 3, 4. We know that from 1, 2, 3, 4 we get. Okay. We get what? This one I will write. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Okay, that is from 1. Next, from 2. Is equal to what is 2 sin a cos b. Next, from 2, that is what? Sin of a plus b minus, it is not minus sin of a minus b. It is 2 cos a sin b. Next, from 3, cos a cos, that is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b is equal to 2 times cos a cos b. Next, I will write this fourth one, cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to, it will be what? 2 minus 2 sin a minus 2 sin a sin b. Okay. Now with the help of these 4 equations, I will find out the formulas for this. Now I will rub the board complete. Fine. Now these are the things I will say here. Let A plus B is equal to C. A minus B is equal to D. I will say. Let A plus B is equal to C. I'll write here this is 1 and A minus B is equal to D. I will say this is 2. Now what I will do, I will say solving 1 and 2, I will get A value and B value. Okay? Solving 1 and 2. Okay, once I will add it, once I will subtract. Solving 1 and 2, what I will do, that is A plus B is equal to C. A minus B is equal to C. So I will add plus into minus is minus plus. B plus B minus B goes A plus A is 2A. C plus D. Therefore A is C plus D by 2. Okay. Then next time I will do subtraction, I will get B. Okay. That is A plus B is equal to C. A minus B is equal to D. Minus plus minus. Plus A minus I go B plus B is 2B. C minus D. B is what? C minus D upon 2. Okay. Now what I will do? I know A value, B value, I will put it here. And here this is what A plus B is C only. I will put C. A minus B is D. So one by one I will get the 4 formulas. Now I will say on making the substitution from the above formula, we obtain. Okay. If you want again, I will recall that this is 1 only. This is 2 and this is 3. Previous case I have done it. That is what 1, 2, 3. The same thing. Now I will say from 1. From 1. What is sin of A plus B? A plus B is C. Sin C plus this is B. Sin B is equal to 2 sin B. What is A? C plus D by 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos B. What is cos B? C minus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. Got it? This is the answer. I think it is not visible because it is shining. Okay, I'll drop it. Write down. From 1. Okay. Sin of A plus B is what? C. Sin C plus sin A minus B is what? A minus B is D. D. Then 2 times sin A, but A is what? A C plus D by 2. And next is cos B. Cos B is what? C minus D by 2. Okay, this is the problem. Here, transformation of sum, this is sum, into product, this is product. Next, from 2. Okay, from 2, this one. Again, it is sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos A, cos C plus D by 2 into sin B. This is the next problem. There is transformation of difference into product. Okay, from 3 cos C plus cos D. Okay, is equal to 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Next, from 4 C minus D by 2. Okay. Now here also I have written or one formula. I write one more formula. Or. Okay. This is one formula. This is next formula. For this I will write or. If you don't want this minus sign. 2 sin C plus D by 2 as it is. जैसे C minus D by 2 I write it as sin of D minus C by 2. Means that minus sign will be sin of D minus C. How it is, I will tell you. You will take one minus sign outside and you will interchange it. Then sin of minus theta, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होगा. Sin of minus theta is what minus sin theta ना. That minus and this minus will go will become plus. Okay. So these are the 8 formulas. 4 over there, 4 over here. So now we are going to solve the problems. Exercise. After that this chapter is over. Okay. You can have a look. I'll wait for 2-3 minutes. Okay. Main question is prove the following identities. Prove the following identities. Okay. First problem. Sin 7a. Sin 7a plus sin 3a minus sin a is equal to, answer is sin 3a in bracket 2 times cos 4a plus 1. Okay. Now how to do it? Sin 7a plus sin a because we have sin c plus sin d or sin c minus d. Now which one to take? You have to look at the answer. If I take 7 and 3, this is c and this is d. Sin c plus sin d is what? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 7 minus 3 is what? 4. 4 divided by 2 is this 2. Okay, if I take this one and this one, this is c and this is d. Sin c minus sin d, it will be what? 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is 7 plus 1, 8, 8 by 2 is 4, I am getting 4 here, and 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 divided by 2, 3 I am getting here. Got it? That way it is. Now what I am going to do, LHS side I will rewrite it. I will say here sin 7a minus sin b plus sin 3a, I will put it outside. Got it? Why I have taken this way? I said now this is my c and this is my d. C plus d, that is 7 plus 1, 8, 8 divided by 2, I will get cos 4a. That's why I have taken that. And this one, 7 minus a is 6, 6 divided by 2, 3. Here also 3 is there, I can take a common. Okay? So now sin c minus sin d, minus sign comes plus, means cos will come out. Cos c plus d by 2 into sin 7a c minus d by 2 plus sin 3a l. So now what I get here? 2 cos 7 plus a is 8a by 2 and this will be 6a by 2 plus sin 3a. Okay, now this will become what? 2 cos 4a. 2 ones are 2 fours are, 2 ones are 2 threes are. The problem is over. Next step what I will do? Between these two I will take out sin 3a common. In bracket 2 cos 4a plus 1. This into this is this into this is this. That's all, that is the answer. When you look at the column, you feel it is very big. Nothing. So here important is what? 3 things are given. We have to choose 2 things, C and D. Then do the problem. Just is given, don't do it blindly. You will not get the answer. You have to look at the answer. Then if any changes, C and D combination you have to make. There are choice, either you can make this as C, this as D, or this as D and this as C. So I made this one as D. See, if I have taken this as D, what will happen? 7 plus 3, 10 by 2, I will get 5. 5 is not required. Yes or no? That's why I made the combination. Okay? Next, second problem. Cos phi theta minus cos 3 theta. Cos phi theta minus cos 3 theta plus cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta to cos 2 theta minus 1. Okay? Again LHS. What we will do? We will see now. Here 2 theta is required and 3 theta. Again this way I take 5 plus theta, that is 6 theta divided by 2 is 3 theta. Then if I go with this and it is 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 single theta, it will not come. No use. Okay, this and this is ruled out, then it will have this and this. If I have this and this, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2 I will get. Then 3 minus 1 is 2, no. We will go as it is cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus no 1. Cos c minus. Okay, this and this will go. 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 2 is this. Okay, so we will write Now if both are cos, what will happen? It will be 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 minus cos 3 theta. 5 plus, that is 6 theta by 2, and this will be 4 theta by 2 minus cos 3 theta. Okay, next what I do here is equal to 2 cos 3 theta. Okay, 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 twos are cos 2 theta. Okay, minus cos 3 theta. Now same way I take out 3 theta common cos 3 theta. In bracket it will be cos 2 theta minus 1. That is your answer. Yes or no? Here. That is the answer. Okay? Okay, we'll do next. Third one. Third one is sin 5 theta minus sin 3 theta divided by cos 5 theta plus cos 3 theta. Okay, is equal to answer here given tan theta. Now here there is no choice, directly it is C and D, you can do it. Here you have a choice, three things are given, or sometimes they give 4 things, you have to make it a pair, CD, that way you have to solve it. Okay, so now LHS, sin C minus sin D, see just now we have done that, sin C minus sin D, first cos will come then later on sin will come. Okay, so 2, what will be 2 cos 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2 into sin 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2 whole thing divided by this one is not, just now we have cos C plus cos B, both will be cos 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2 cos 5 3 theta minus 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2. Now see here 2 goes, this also will go, both are same. Now remains what this? Sin 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 2. Next cos, same way 2 theta by 2. This 2 goes, we are left with sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but tan. Got it? That is how it is. Okay? Go through it. Then I will come back. Okay. Fourth problem. Cos 7 theta minus theta. Cos 7 theta minus cos theta divided by sin 7 theta plus sin theta. Is equal to minus tan theta. LHS. cos C minus cos D. What is cos C minus cos D? That is fourth formula. Minus 2 times, what it will be? Both will be sine. Minus 2 times sine 7 theta plus theta by 2 na? Into sine 7 theta minus theta by 2. Whole thing divided by C plus D. Sine C plus D. It is the first formula. 2 sine C plus D by 2 and cos will come 7 theta minus theta by 2. Okay, this 2 cancels, these are same, it will go. Next, minus sign as it is, sine 7 minus theta is 6 theta divided by 2, cos is equal to minus sine 3 theta, and this is cos 3 theta. It will become minus tan theta. Okay, fifth one. What is fifth one? Sin A plus sin 2A divided by cos A minus cos 2A. Is equal to, answer is cot A by 2. Okay, again let's just add it. Sin C plus sin D, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into what? Cos A minus 2A by 2 divided by, next is cos C minus cos D, that is last formula, minus, both will be sin, minus 2 sin A plus 2A by 2 sin A minus 2A by 2. Now see what happens, this 2 goes, both are same, this will go. Now cos A minus A by 2 is what? It will become cos of minus A by 2 divided by sin A minus A, again it will become sin of minus A by 2. Okay, I'll write the answer here. Is equal to, now cos of minus theta, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So minus will come up, cos upon sin is cot. That is not cot A by 2. That is your answer. Okay. Next, sixth one. Sixth one, sin A plus B sin A plus sin B divided by cos A plus cos B is equal to tan of A plus B by 2. Okay. Next, let's same way, C and D, both sin C plus sin D means first sin will come C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Whole figure, cos, both will come cos, 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 goes, this cos will go, sin upon cos is what? Tan. Tan of A plus B by 2. Okay. That was. Next is ulta with minus sign, it will be cot. Next sum is sin A minus sin B. Divided by ulta. Cos B minus cos A. Cos B B minus cos A is equal to cot of A plus B by 2. Again sin C minus sin D, that is the second formula. First cos will come, then sin will come. 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2 whole thing divided by, again cos C minus cos D, it is what? Both sides will come with minus sign, minus 2 sin B plus A by 2 and sin B minus A by 2. Okay. Now what happens here? We have to get cot, na? This 2 and this 2 will go. Okay? I will write it here. Cos A plus B by 2. Okay? Into sin of A minus B by 2. Whole thing divided by this minus sign is there. I write this minus sign here only. Sin B plus A, I write it as A plus B by 2. We can interchange it. When plus sign is there, we can do it. Next is what here? B minus A, it is where I am writing A minus B. I will take one minus sign common and I will interchange it. Okay, sin of minus sign take common. A minus B by 2. I have taken one minus sign common outside and I have interchanged it. B minus A by 2 as A minus B. Now, next what happens here? Now what I do? I want answer is cot, na? Cos of A plus B divided by sin of A plus B by 2. I will take this minus sign up. I will write it as cot. Into, answer is this only plus, it is but I am writing minus sign. I will write this one. Sin of A minus B by 2 divided by sin of minus theta is not minus, na? Minus A minus B by 2. This minus goes and this sign goes, remains what? Cot. That is your arrangement. Here, I call this as theta timing. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Minus sign, whatever is there, I will write. This minus and this minus cancels. This sign and this sign will cancel. I will left with this. That is the answer. Okay. So 7 problems. So we are doing all problems of sum and differences to product. Later on, the other one also will come. Okay, you can go through it. Today we will end the class here. Tomorrow we will start with the again problems.